Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. My rear brake lines are plugged and I can't get anything to bleed out of them. So we're gonna flush them, clean them out, get them working again. All right, we're gonna start by disconnecting the rear brake lines. That way we'll be able to blow air through all of them and we won't mess with any of our brake components here. All right, there we go. All right, we're starting to drip here. I'm also going to disconnect this bracket for the brake line. That way I can pull it out and we're not trapped inside the brake anymore. Next, I'm going to disconnect the rear brake line from the brake distribution block. It's gonna be that dirty line right there at the bottom. And then I'll do my best to remediate the brake fluid splashing everywhere and try to get it down into this catch pan. All right, we're a little stripped out here. Bringing out our old friend, the trusty vice grips. You loosen it with my fingers. I'm gonna get my funnel ready. All right, that might do something, it might not. Now, I'm gonna take the air gun and hook it up to the inlet for the rear brake lines. We're gonna see if we can blast all this old junk out. As shown in the video, you can see that there was some resistance in the line until the air pushed everything through and unplugged the lines. I did forget to film it, but I bled the brakes after, and I actually had a good amount of brake fluid coming through those rear lines. I think we got rid of that clog. And after that, the test drive went great. My brake puddle isn't as spongy anymore. It's a super quick fix, and it'll really go a long way in making this car feel safer. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.